Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. As you guys know from my previous video, I bought this car July 26th. I waited 5 months and finally got it. But when I was watching some social media, I found this brand called ExoForma Permashine tire coating. So this one lasts really long time according to a lot of the user review. So I bought it and then see how this one pans out. They said just to wipe the tire clean. It's nice because it's a new tire. I only used it maybe a week or so. You know, it's not that dirty, it's not browning. So I'm gonna apply this and then they said it will last about what, like 3 months, 6 months. My problem with all these tire shining products, I always get like Tire Shine and McGuire, all these brands, it only lasts like 1 or 2 days and then it fades. Like it becomes like matte black like that. And then sometimes older tires, it browns. So I cleaned the tire and I'm gonna use this as an applicator. I'm gonna kind of just pour it on there and then wipe it down. I'm gonna get a microfiber towel. So whatever the drips onto the wheel, I'm gonna clean it up. So I'll show you the difference. So I'm just pouring the ExoForma Tire Shine onto this sponge. So I apply to all 4 tires. At first it turns a little bit white and it dries. So you're supposed to dry it for 30 minutes. And if you want more shine, apply one more coat. But now I'm gonna drive it so the bottom tire gets rotated up so I can apply it evenly. Put a single coat. White liquid is all dried up. So now it's just shiny. Look at that. That's just one coat. And I shined it up to this point so it kind of has that wet look. It's funny that when you look at it in person, the gap between the wheel and the car doesn't look as bad, but when you take a video of it, it looks like there's a lot of gap. One thing I regret not getting the option for is an air suspension, so I can kind of drop this so it looks good when it's parked or something. But oh well, you know, I didn't add it, didn't know about it. So maybe my next Porsche Taycan, new facelift, I'll probably order that. And I'll take the InnoDrive out because I don't use InnoDrive, but I used adaptive cruise control and adaptive lane keeping. Those two are very, very important. So after 30 minutes, I'm gonna apply one more coat. So last night I put 2 coats of Permashine on my Taycan, 21 inch. Look at this tire. It's so shiny. Incredible. Look at this. Wow. It looks like it's wet. Incredible. I don't know if camera shows the shine. And looks like a frog in the front. People say it will last about 30 days, so I don't mind applying once every 30 days. Thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.